Good afternoon from the trail. Is it afternoon yet?
No, it's still morning.
Still morning. Been out trying to navigate our way out of here. And if you've never been to Glen Canyon recreation area, the ground is like a tundra. Now, I've never been to the tundra, but what I can say is that it's literally like the face of the moon. It's all cracked. I'm gonna show you. My feet are sinking every step that I take. It's so crazy because you would expect the desert to be like rock solid or sand, but this is like a mushy, muddy, just strange. It just doesn't feel normal. Look at this. So strange. And I'm sinking every step I take. Doesn't make any sense. I don't know. But enough about that, enough about that. We are headed to north rim of the Grand Canyon. We got a little bit longer till we get out of here. Oh, but so far, so good. Didn't have breakfast really, it was Cheerios. Found some cool people. Flew the drone right into their car. No, it's a possibility though. I almost ran off the road. Wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, you did.
I was looking at the landscape and then right off the road I went. We got her back out though. So we're gonna head over to the Grand Canyon. I'm not really sure how far it is. Don't really care. We're just gonna go out here and live our best. Heck yeah. So let's see when we get to where we're getting to. So there's one thing I say to my wife that just makes her so mad. I don't know what it is. What? I always tell her, like, do you even stay woke?
What are you, 14?
I don't know. I just say, you're not even woke. You don't even stay. I think that's the beauty of it. But the reason I'm here right now is we just met a really cool couple. And they were sweet. You know what I mean? Into things we're into, really cool. But then traveling down the trail, you see people who are like driving off the trail into the stuff you're not supposed to drive in, which is the whole reason they tell you to stay on the road. Trust me, if anybody wants to go off the road and start making my own paths, it's me. But just stay on the road, stay on the trail, don't destroy the land, because we're lucky enough to be able to have it, and if you're destroying it, you're not even woke. They don't even stay woke, right?
I'm not even entertaining this conversation.
But anyways, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you're watching right now. We're making our way to Grand Canyon, and I'm probably not going to talk to you anymore. I just wanted to let you know, stay woke, right?
Stay woke.
Yeah. Pop-Tart 30. A little update, we just made it to Khabib National Forest. I think that's how you say it. Not really sure. We are en route to the North Rim campground that we found in Khabib National Forest. The fire restrictions are super high, so we can't have any fires, which kind of dampers the camping experience. But we got a new rope light set up that provides that perfect amount of ambient light. So we stopped at the little chevron here in Khabib National Forest and just grabbing a couple things before we head out. Still working on the refrigerator situation. The Goal Zero doesn't charge as fast as I need it to, and I had so many devices to charge, so I'm still trying to work that system out. May end up being a dual battery rig, to be honest with you. I think it would just be easier, less hassle, not have to worry about it. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna check this place out. The camp spot that we found is supposed to be super beautiful. I don't know if we're gonna beat last night's camp spot, but this new camp spot should be pretty freaking awesome too. And then we're gonna head south to the south rim of the Grand Canyon, well, the South Grand Canyon, and we're gonna camp on the Colorado River tomorrow night. So should be a pretty sweet couple of days. We'll show you a little bit of what we see, and we'll check up with you guys whenever we finally make it to camp. What I can tell you is walking through here in the Khabib National Forest where the fire damage was, it's unbelievable. I'm not from a forest zone or a foresty area, so having a healthy respect for forest fires is hard to do until you see all of this burned. I mean, everything is just scorched everything you see is just fire. Like, I couldn't even imagine what it was like when this fire was going on. Like, these trees I'm walking through are all dead, and everything on the ground is just these pine needles. And listen to them. It's just tinder. It's so crazy. I mean, the scorch of this tree is literally just charcoal. I mean, it's incredible. Like I said, not being from an area like this, you don't have like a really healthy respect. But I can tell you one thing, all those people going through those wildfires in California and everywhere else, it's crazy. It's hard to think that a campfire could cause all this. A simple, harmless campfire. Crazy. So the route we had planned out, turns out, is closed because of the fire. So this fire must have been super recent. And it looks like it has a map of how to get through. But I'm going to use Gaia to navigate through it all.
We might not even be able to get around the other way. That's fucking gross. You just stepped in a
So apparently she thinks I just stepped in a poop hole.
You did.
I don't think I did. I might have.
Somebody doesn't dig a hole for a reason.
It almost took my ankle bone with it, I can tell you that. So we traveled far and wide today. We found our way out of the fire zone. Had to take pavement about 25 miles to another forest road, and it finally led us to the campsite. Now, we didn't get the good one. The good one was taken by people who didn't try to travel through a burn zone. So kudos to them for getting it. But we are literally right on the edge of the Grand Canyon. And when I tell you it's grand, it's grand. There's a lot of stuff we wanted to film today, but we didn't get to it because we wanted to get here. And I'm going to show you what here is right now. Long day of travel, but we made it to a beautiful camp, and I get to have a candlelit dinner deep in the mountains with the sunset of the Grand Canyon behind me with my very best friend. And by the way, the rope lights we were talking about, the ambient light that we're receiving right now, can't have a campfire, but we do get to have the opportunity to be alone in the mountains and have steak, potatoes, and asparagus. So I can't really complain about a single thing. If you guys liked the video today, thumbs up, press subscribe. If you don't like it, you know what to do. Carry on. We're gonna enjoy this night together, just my wife and I. And I'm not sure I can be any happier. We'll talk to you guys in the morning. See ya.